Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. Artfully crafted inside and out, this XTS immerses you in the experience of luxury. It comes with great features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, security vehicle tracker system with slow-down, auto-dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and front, rear, left, and right side cameras. The Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way that Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces." Cadillac is driving the world forward. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.